Good afternoon, this is Kevin at TR6 Sports Car, Meadow Vista, California, and I'm here with Rosie, our 1971 Triumph TR6, which is now live on Bring a Trailer. And the question of the moment, what you're interested in if you're watching this video, is whether Rosie starts cold. And the answer is yes, of course she does, but let's find out for sure. So I'm gonna grab the header pipe here. It's absolutely cold. Been sitting for about a day and a half. So yeah, cold. Just walk around. And we're gonna give her a start. Climb in. Sorry we're doing this live. One take. Make sure she is in neutral. A little choke applied. And let's give Rose here. Come on. The temp gauge is cold. Oil pressure is up. High pressure cold engine. Fuel gauge is responding. She's on charge. Tachometer. Come back the choke off. Starts and runs great. And there you have it.